Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I wanna share tutorial on how to make a 70s vibes video on CapCut Apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut Apps and click New Project. Add the video that you want to edit, this one. Click Add at the bottom. Now I will show you this is the original video, but I wanna make this video like 70s vibes. So you can just click on the effect at the bottom, click video effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see party effect, this one, and click on it. Swipe down until you can see 70s effect, this one, and click on it. Click check icon and set the effect until the end of the video. In here you can adjust the effect. Just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust the speed. In here I wanna 85, okay, like this, and click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to make a 70s vibe video on CapCut Apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.